Last week, the SP 500 printed a bearish engulfing candle. On the daily chart, it came down to the 30-day SMA, and it is holding for now. It broke this trend line after making a new all-time high. On the 30-minute chart, the 30-period SMA that has been acting as a support was broken. From the composite volume profile, there is this low volume zone between 744 and 747. Another low volume zone between 725 and 730. And this high volume zone with a high volume node near 710. If we put up a Fibonacci retracement for this swing, we see the 0.382 retracement is in confluence with a high volume node near 710. And the 50% retracement is near a volume edge at 695. And here are some of the price action scenario I will be watching for the coming week. If the price come back up and break through this low volume zone and put in a higher low, I will watch to see if it can make a higher high to move back up to the all-time high. But I won't be chasing this move up though. Another scenario is for the price to dip down into the low volume zone and bounces back up to this low volume zone. We could see some chopping action in this high volume area, and depends on what it will do after going back up to this low volume zone. If it put in a higher high and a higher low, then look for the price to move back to the all-time high. But if the price dip back down to this low volume zone, then I will look for a short with a stop above the low volume zone and target a move down into the volume edge, which is the 50% retracement near 695. And I will keep an eye on the price reaction when it reaches the high volume node. So these are the two downside scenarios I'll be watching for the coming week.